In this video, I'll show you how to publish your Framer website absolutely for free. If you haven't signed up for Framer yet, you can use the link in the description to get started. Once you create your project, click the Publish button at the top. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our website has been published. At the top, you'll see the domain on which your app has been published. This is a Framer subdomain that comes absolutely free. Below that, you can see when it was last published and what changes were made to the project. Clicking on the URL takes us to our Framer website, successfully deployed on this free subdomain. If you want to customize the subdomain, click Get Free Domain. You'll be taken to the Domains tab where you can choose a custom Framer subdomain. Enter your preferred subdomain name. I'll try adding Talentify, and you also have the option to choose from multiple subdomain extensions, such as framer.photo, framer.media, framer.wiki, or framer.ai. I'll select .framer.ai and click the checkmark. It says this subdomain is already taken by another project. I'll modify the name slightly and check again. This one appears to be available. Clicking on this new subdomain redirects us to the website we created and published. Going back to the previous subdomain and refreshing, it's still live there as well. If you ever want to unpublish your website and remove it from a particular URL, click the three dots next to the domain and select Remove Domain. It will ask you to confirm. Click Remove, and the domain will be successfully removed. Note that your website will still remain live on the original base URL. That's how you can select a custom subdomain and publish your website absolutely for free on Framer. If you want to know how to connect a custom domain to your Framer website or get a discount on any of the paid plans, simply click on the videos appearing on your screen.